Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn the topic odd sounds. Odd sounds is very easy, so easily we can score full marks. So this is useful for both TS and AP. So here in each set three words are given and same letters are underlined. So one will be different, two will give out same sound and one will be different, so that different sound is odd sound. So we have to test the sound produced by the underlined letters, only underlined letters, the sound produced by the underlined letters, that sound we have to test. Okay, two will be same, one will be different, that different one is the odd sound, that is the odd sound. Don't write the similar sounds, you have to write the odd sound. Okay, here we go. Now the first one, look, book, mood. Double O is underlined here. Look, ooh. Book, ooh. Mood, ooh. This is different, that's why mood is the answer. So you have to write mood here. Don't write look, book, don't write similar sounds, write odd sound. Okay, next, second one, knife, wife, fill. So I underlined. Knife, I sound. Wife, I sound. But in fill, fee, e sound. This is different. Fill is the answer. Next, care, baby, dare. Care, dare. Rhyming words, no? Same. So baby. So this is different. Baby is the answer. Now, goat, moo, goal. O underlined. Goat, go, goal, go, same. Moo, moo, oo. This is different. Move is the answer. Next, gum, gem, girl. So gum, ga, girl, ga. In gem, ja. This is different. This is different. Okay, gem. That is the answer. Next, chin, character, cheap. Cha, cha, same. Character is the answer. This, there, think. The is the answer. Think. Book, door, look. Book, look, same. Door is different. Oh, door. This is the answer. Odd sound. Next, silk, ship, sugar. So in these two words, sha, sha. S gives out sha, sha, same sound. But in silk, sa sound different. So silk is the answer. Okay, next, call, sell, censor. Call is the answer. Unit, upset, umbrella. Here you. Unit is the answer. Next, eyes, ink, idiot. Ink, idiot. Eyes, Eyes is the answer. Tray, money, many. Money, many, same. Tray is the answer. Pine, mine, pin is the answer. Pie, my, same. One, orange, often, same. One, wa. This is the answer. Date, drag, rate. Date, rate, same, no? Rhyming sounds. Okay, drag, this is different. Drag is the answer. Next, baggage, beggar, luggage. Baggage, luggage. So here GG underlined, same. Baggage, luggage. Beggar is the answer. Pink, palm, psychology. In pink, pa is pronounced, p is pronounced. In palm also p is pronounced, but in psychology p is silent, it is not pronounced. So psychology is the answer. Next, food, look, book. Look, ooh. Book, ooh. But in food, this is food, not food. Food, ooh, long ooh, different. So food is the answer. Food, correct. Next, car, cinema, cricket. In car, ka sound. Cricket also ka sound, but in cinema, sa sound. This is different. Cinema is the answer. Host, most, lost. Host, ho, most, mo, same. Okay, in last, lost. So la, o, so lost is the odd sound. Next, root, shoot, foot. Root, shoot, same. Foot, oo. This is the odd sound. Some, come, home. Sa, ka, ho. So this is different. Home. So in this way, we can easily identify the odd sounds. So this is very easy, one of the easiest topics. Okay, two will be same, one will be different, that different one is the answer. Okay, right? Now I think this video is very useful to you. Please keep watching my videos for this kind of interesting grammar topics. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.